Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. What I'm doing is I'm installing a wick for the bearing on this scanner motor here. All right. So what I did was I took a piece of twine and ran it down on one side. I ran it down on this side over there, the far side. I ran it down over here, and then until it got all the way down to the bottom there. And then I took this long screwdriver. I'm using a long screwdriver, see? And I reached over here and I pulled the twine over, and then I wrapped it around the little shaft that's down there. It's a little stud actually, and that's attached here. It protrudes out of this unit, and so I've attached it there, and then what I'm doing is I'm twisting it right here, and then I'm going to run it through this hole and wrap it around this padding, and then that way it will get oil that will go down this wick, and it will oil the bearing for this. And that's what I'm doing. Okay, Dr. Kemp, wicking this thing. To the next video. Peace out.